All right. Thank you so much for your comment. So you're talking about lip syncing. So I'm going to show you how you can grab someone's sound and lip sync. You ready? Let's do it. So the first thing you want to do is when you see a sound that you like, you go there. That's the sound. You click it, and what will happen, it'll take you to the sound page. This is everybody's sound page. Any sound that you add, whether you're talking or what, you have a sound page. Once you get on the sound page, you want to click on use this sound. Yeah. And once you click on it, then it's going to take you to create a post. And here I am, right? The sound is going to be up there. So now I have the sound. It's right there. Now I'm going to set my timer. Now you already got to kind of remember what it's saying in order for you to lip sync it. Ready? Set the timer.
Whatever you do.
3 seconds.
Whatever you do, don't get fat. Do not get fat. I repeat, do not get fat.
And that's it.
Whatever you do, don't get fat. Do not get fat. I repeat, do not get fat.
And that's all you need to do to lip sync. That's what it's called, lip syncing. You're welcome.